This is a high-performance game mini PC. SER6 Pro comes back from a new upgrade. Upgraded fabric trim and all-metal casing at the top. The volume is also small. Equipped with AMD Ryzen 7 6800H processor. AMD Radeon 680 graphics. More powerful performance parameters. Support dual-channel high-frequency DDR5 memory module. Plus branded SSD with high transmission speed. CPU cooling fan plus upgraded system fan. Dual fan designed for better heat dissipation. The system fan can cool SSD, DDR, HDD. Exploit stronger performance. Support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Type-C interface supports video output. Support 3-screen display and multitasking at the same time. Work more efficiently. Powerful chips enable it to meet various requirements smoothly. SER6 Pro can bring you a new experience.